All right, good evening, everyone. It's evening, and Lit and I decided we're going to take a little walk up and take a little walk up on McArthur here. Show you what goes on up here in the evening around 6 o'clock or so up on McArthur here. Plus, we haven't actually done a walk for a while, so that's what we're doing this evening. This is a time of the night where you get a lot of the food vendors come out for the evening. I'm going to check this one out here. Noodles, pork teriyaki, and plain noodles. Noodles, plain noodles, noodles with what's that? Sioma, and pork teriyaki. What's this juice though?
I don't know what's that.
The juice?
Agulaman.
Agulaman?
Yeah. I don't know. It's like chili. They catch it and they put it. Then they put
the juice?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You get another vendor right here. Banana cube.
Oh no, that's not banana.
What is that? That's not potato.
No, that's crabs.
Oh, root crabs. Oh, what is it? Banana cube, potatoes, or root crabs?
Root crab.
Root crabs.
Yeah, they put sugar on it.
Sugar on it.
Then they cut like small one. Then they put sugar. Then it seems like banana cube.
Well, root crabs are like a potato, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like a sweet potato.
Like a sweet potato. Driving school.
Yeah. It's 2,000 pesos.
2,000 pesos.
Like
Cruiser driving school. Roll for as low as 2,000 pesos.
yeah, but how many hours?
I don't know.
Is it all day or?
Or how many hours, and what is it, an automatic? 5-speed? Manual? I don't know.
I think that's 4. You want me to ask them?
Huh? You want to ask them? I don't care. Very busy up here this time of the night. It's Friday night, so it's very busy. Let's go in to ask how much driving school is. We'll just stand here and watch people. Watch people and watch the traffic. Got a Mr. Donuts right there.
They only do manual.
Only manual?
Yeah.
How much?
Every day it's 1 hour only.
Right.
And then that's 100. I know it's not 100. I forgot what it is.
Every day.
Every day 1 hour only. 5 days for 2,000.
So every day for 1 hour, 5 days for 2,000 pesos. And it's manual. It's a nice car, huh? Nice Toyota. Yeah, it's a really nice car.
Yeah, it's I asked her if that's automatic. She said no, it's only manual.
Manual.
Now, if I know what to drive in manual, I don't know if I can be able to drive the automatic. But he said it's good to drive the manual than the automatic. Because once you know the manual, you will know the automatic.
Oh, sure you will. This furniture place here. It's all bamboo, right?
Yeah.
A baby crib.
Like a baby theater.
I don't know. That's nice. I don't know what kind of wood. Kind of wood? Kind of wood?
Malaysian wood.
Malaysian wood. That's the name of the wood? Malaysian wood?
Anong pangalan ng wood niya? Malaysian siya.
Oh.
Yung ganito nyo.
This is one of those you drive by it and you see it, but you never stop. Now we're walking, so I'll stop and check it out. Bunk beds. That's pretty cool. Steps to go to the top bunk bed, and they got drawers in them. Big cool looking chair right there. Seating bench. You ready, Lloyd? Huh?
I like that one. Like very big.
Yeah.
12,000.
12,000?
But it's like big. That's a kitchen stuff and that's a like that's
You want to cross the street? Yeah, let's try to cross the street. I always stop when I see people. You just got to do it, look. Well, we made it that one. Thank you. And we made this one. We're good to go. The old Jollibee. I'll walk down this way, look. Sun's setting, so it's nice and getting cool out. It was hot today. Here's another one right across the street.
That's the same thing.
Same?
Huh.
It's all the same thing.
I don't know if they're the same like price.
Right.
They're the same.
Yeah. Just have to go in and negotiate for a price if you want it. These are pretty nice here. These rockers.
The one I need.
These are nice rockers right here.
One. So while I was watching, I can sleep.
Yeah. BPI Bank. This is where I came the other day to this BPI Bank.
This is the street you want to go when you get the car.
That street. Here's a vendor, a corn vendor.
Yeah, corn.
The corn's actually pretty good. I've had it. Not here, but I've had corn.
That corn?
Yeah, the corn's good.
Manago is like that one.
Yeah.
There's a police too.
Samsonville subdivision.
Yeah. That's what we go in there inside.
Another little vendor for the evening. Sorry store on wheels. Sogo Hotel.
Dahil mahal kita, gusto ko sa Sogo.
You ain't gonna miss that. That's a big Sogo.
Yeah.
That's another landmark. If you come down, look for the Sogo. We're right near the Sogo, or the road you turn down is at the Sogo. I don't know what. That's some type of videoke place. Yeah. There's another street vendor doing chicken, manok. Got some fried chicken there. Got some chicken on the Barbie. Smells good. Sogo. Here, hold that, bud.
So clean, so good.
Hotel Sogo. More street vendors. Yeah, look, we'll get run over.
Buku.
What is that?
Buku.
Buku. Oh, coconut. More chicken. Angel's Burger. I've never had their burgers. Need some DVDs. It's like a little market back in there. Yeah. Here's a barbecue. That's what we're talking about, barbecue right here.
See, this kind of done is very pretty neat because the
Oh yeah, he cut a propane tank in half.
Yeah.
Made a barbecue. What is that? Pork?
Baluna. No, that's not pork.
Baluna.
Baluna. We call it baluna. It's like it's not a heart.
Right. Right. It's what? Chicken kidney.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How to get out of there? Music's playing. It smells good though. Security. Oh, cool. Police. Hey. Definitely at night things change up here. I mean, the stores are still here, but a lot of different things, you know, you see a lot of different things at night than you do during the day. You know, it's hot. People don't want to be out during the day. So things open up in the evening, more people come out. What's that?
General merchandise.
That's another, like, grocery store.
No, it's kitchen stuff. It's like variety.
Kitchen supplies and things. House supplies.
House supplies.
Okay.
And,
There's a salon.
Same over here.
Salon. General merchandise there. House supplies and stuff like.
Yeah, it's variety.
Variety.
Food supplies, house supplies.
Right.
There's also some like groceries and everything. That's the place we buy when Elda needs some, you know how I have when you get the rice and
Yeah.
that's what the place where we go in.
Just so you know where we're at, right there is Jumbo Genera. KFC, Daewoo bus station down that way. At the police. At the police back there watching the traffic.
That's
Hang on.
no order. And that's the kind of
What are you doing, Lit? Look how busy this intersection is. No, I'm not going to cross. It's a very busy intersection this time of the night. Everybody's lined up and they're ready to go. Here they go. money changer. Western Union. Kitty cat. What's a mess? I've seen this before. I wanted to go in here. Guitars. It's at a ukulele, drums, sporting stuff. Ukulele. Ukulele series.
Yeah, it's small.
I thought they were called ukuleles. I don't know. What do I know? Electric guitars. Like a sporting shop in there. Everything is negotiable, price-wise.
Huh?
So everything is negotiable, price-wise.
Yeah.
Hair salon. Hello.
Oh, 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven. Hey, we'll cross down here.
No, we can't go from it.
We can cross down here. Right down here, look.
Funny. Well, why there is a lot of 7-Eleven, there is no bathroom. Supposed to be a bathroom because they're drinking, you know. The opportunity.
Another street vendor here. What are they selling? Oh, barbecue. More barbecue.
Same. Over there. This is chicken, honey.
Chicken butt.
Chicken butt.
Chicken feet.
Feet.
Chicken neck.
Neck.
Chicken. Any heads?
Another. There's a pork.
Barbecue grill going.
All that neck and head is all together.
Oh, the neck and head is all together. Some kind of soup. What kind of soup is that, bud?
Oh, we call it bulalo.
Bulalo. There we go. Then you got these little grills here.
We call it bibingka.
Alright guys, I hope you like this little stroll around up here. Like I said, it's different at night. A lot more is going on, it seems like. The sun's going down, people are out. But just figured I'd do a little stroll around up in this area and let you guys see what's going on. And I got to bend down so Lut can get in the camera. So anyways, tomorrow's a new day and the journey continues. Got anything to say, Lut?
See you next time.
See
I'll see you tomorrow.
See you. How are you gonna see them tomorrow?
Oh, until next time.
Until next time.